Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to easily export a Pages document to Word or PDF. Before I start, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. The first thing to do is thoroughly check your Pages document because once it is exported, you cannot edit it, only view. So, if there is a mistake, you will have to export again. Once you have checked, you are ready to export. Next, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Then you will see this list. Click on Export. Now, select the format you want your Pages document to convert to. In this example, I will choose Word. Wait for the document to load. Then click on Continue, which is in the top right-hand corner. Your screen will look like this. Now select where you want your exported file to be stored. In this case, I want it to save to files, so I select Save to Files. All that's left to do is select a new location for the document to be saved. Once this is done, I just have to tap on Add. Now, the exported document will be in the place it has been shared to. This is how you export a Pages document to Word/PDF. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.